I was walking in the rain of my own mistakes, trusting every smile that you chose to fake. I gave you my heart, no shield, no gun. You took the light and you left me none. But the night taught me how to breathe. Pain showed me what I need. I'm rising from broken love, like the sun after the storm above. No more tears in my eyes, I let the past sleep, I survive. I'm rising, yeah, I'm rising now. From broken love, I found my ground. I was lost in the echo of your name, blaming my soul, drowning in shame. But roots grow deep in the hardest land.